different start to today's video. So today I got a couple errands to run, and I want to install this little trunk lifting thing. I don't know the name, but I want to install that, and I got to drop off a package at UPS over at Staples to get shipped out, and I got to go pick up something. So yeah, let's get to what I have to do. So basically, first, put on my glasses. I have to drop off this package right here to UPS. I have to ship it back to DJI because I broke one of the drones, and they sent me a new one, and I had to send that one back, the broken one. So I have to go get tape, and then I have to go print out the shipping label to ship it back. After that, I'm gonna come back, install the little hood, not hood, but the trunk lift support, I guess. It's like some struts to like open your trunk when you press the button or open it manually, and whatever else I have to do. So damn, that exhaust burned it.
Open the trunk.
The trunk. What's going on?
You see the exhaust?
Oh, what the hell? This man's exhaust is in the trunk, and that thing is hanging. Hold on. Get that thing. Thing just fell off.
Yeah, it just keeps falling off. The clamps can't hold it.
There's like no exhaust hanger back there?
Huh?
There's no like exhaust hanger?
No, there's.
Oh. Oh. What the heck?
It just keeps coming out.
What you gonna do about that?
I might have to weld that. They came out from the middle too.
In the middle?
Yeah, like from the middle of the exhaust part.
Yeah.
Like from so there's three separate pipes from the down pipe.
Yeah.
The regular one, to like here, and then here to here it fell off.
Yeah.
So it's not connected to this spot, and then here to here, that's that part.
That's crazy, and then it burned it, like the fuser right here, like burned it, cracked it.
Replaced, yeah.
Reflector's gone, or is that always off? Reflector.
Nah, it came out. My whole exhaust came through. Yeet. That yeet it out. I see it to the winch. I was like, yo, what the f?
That is weak.
Yeah, and this too, like this carbon fiber shit, there's like rust in this now, inside.
No.
Oh, it went back to its shape. Oh, there was like air in here, so like bubbled up. I don't know if you can see. Now it's back to like how it with the curve and shit.
Yeah.
But there was like a big bubble here, so it was air, like it was literally coming out, and when I unscrewed it, like it was hissing out.
That's crazy. Are you gonna get that refinished or something?
What, this?
Yeah. No,
I don't care less. I got the same screws right there.
Yeah, the new screws or those are old?
Yeah, those are the new screws in there.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta seal that around for all the water. I know the water comes through here, but how's it getting into the battery? Because I saw that video that you uploaded with
it comes through here.
To the latch?
Yeah. I don't know how.
And
it probably goes through here somewhere, and it goes through there. So, cause look, water could just go right through there and there.
Yeah. I know TJ Hunt, when he made the new one, he has like a little spacer you put inside of there now on the new one.
Yeah,
so
I don't know.
I think it has like a little bit more mounting. So, like, I don't know if it came with a gasket. I don't remember. I gotta like rewatch the video, but I gotta get my car all right too. I've been looking at a bunch of carbon fiber pieces. I might do like the whole front, the whole front end,
bro.
Yeah, like the whole front, like the fenders and the hood, and then the front bumper. I can just get a whole new front bumper.
Look, somebody get hit my here.
That's crazy.
I didn't hit the paint though. Thank God. You see that?
Yeah.
It didn't hit the paint, it hit the PPF. So I just gotta get those little dents out. I have some more.
I didn't know there was PPF on it.
Thank God.
How hard is that? I guess they're trying to find a customer car.
Yeah.
That's wild.
What the fuck is this?
Your registration expires next month too. What is that?
Yep.
Mine expired. I had the temporary one since I got the new one. I got it back in March. I left the temporary one on the window for mad long, and it expired like 2 days ago.
Smoking.
I have the new registration in the glove box. And I just don't feel like taking the sticker off. I want to tint the window. All right, so I just spoke to my friend at Honda. He works at Honda. We were just chatting about, and then I was looking at some of the cars that they had on the lot. They do have a 2.0 here in the used lots. Like I think it's an EXL. If you guys want it, come here to Atlantic Honda Bayshore. You could go scoop it up. Look for Willis. He's in the used car department. But for now, let me just get out of here after all these cars move out my way. But let me go finally ship out this drone because it's still sitting here and I still got to install that. Just a return label. Drop off was successful. Now let's go install those hood struts or trunk struts. I keep calling them hood struts. So I made it home and let's get into this install. So basically, the issue is I'll pop the trunk like this, and then I'll do that from inside because I have like a box or whatever. I'll come to the car, and basically the car's unlocked, so the alarm won't go off. But basically, I'll pick this up, and the whole car alarm will go off on the car. So then I have to sit there and press unlock and lock to shut off the alarm. So basically, what this is gonna do is gonna help with the trunk. So like when I pop the trunk will just open up all the way, just how it is right now. It will just open all the way up. So basically we're gonna put a rod going in right here and then another one right there, and it's gonna connect to these ends right here on each side. So first we're just gonna pop the seats and put them down. So this is what comes in the little box right here. It's the two gas powered struts. We have this little things for the hardware. So basically you would put these through this spot under here, and then you would tighten it with these, and then after that you would connect it to that. So I zoomed in, but you would connect it to this. So basically this goes in like that, something like that. You find it through this hole under here, which you can't see. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a hole right there. And then the gas powered shock sits basically like this along the whole thing. It sits like that. So let me go get a cameraman and we're gonna do this real quick. Start off with this side, the passenger side. So I'm gonna take some tape, electrical tape, and I'm just gonna wrap it over here where I'm gonna put the piece. Take this piece, we're gonna put it here like this. We're gonna slide this in like that, and then we're gonna take one of these nuts and then screw it in. Guess the wrench they gave me is not that great, but it's on there. So okay, now so we're gonna slide the washer piece of this. We're gonna slide that over there. So we're gonna move to installing it up here. So let's go and do that. At the car, so we're in the back seat. And basically under here, I don't know how good you can see that because recording here sucks, but under here, you're just gonna lift this. There's like a little piece where you could stick the piece through. Get my fingers in there. I'm trying to get my finger to the hole. My finger's right there. So you're just gonna slide the piece. I don't know where it is right now, but you're gonna slide the piece in here. You're gonna see it there, and then you're gonna screw this in there with a washer. So let's go do that right now. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of not messed up, but I kind of did a terrible job installing these, or showing you how to install them. Go close the trunk for me. I did a terrible job of showing how to install them, so I'm probably gonna redo this video. I'm still gonna upload this, but I'm probably gonna redo it just for you guys. If you guys want me to re-upload it, just say re-upload it or redo it, whatever, and I'll redo it. Tighten up, right?
Yeah. Is it touching? No. It's done. no idea. I can't see anything from this side. I'm blind.
Did I do anything?
Nope. What the fuck?
I forgot I had the keys.
Mm-hmm.